Jason Channing, your angel number is 908. And it is a message that a phase or cycle is ending in your life. Yes, Nicole. And this will have a domino effect in other areas of your life. You are not to limit their passing or ending, but rather be open to receiving new in your life. You're getting something new in your life. Something old is going to leave. Okay? Receive the new, Jason. Receive the new. Jason, angel number 908 encourages you to embark upon the journey to self-knowledge, to spend time asking yourself the questions that you want most answered. Remember, I just said, everything that we need to know, that we need to do, is in our soul. Our soul knows. This is why anytime you need to ask the questions to know, all you have to do is ask the question out loud, take a deep breath and hold it, and listen, and you'll hear the answer. Okay? That's a spiritual thing. Ask yourself the question, take a deep breath, and listen. I just heard everything's going to be all right. And listen. Okay? Now, you are encouraged, Jason, to embark upon the journey to self-knowledge. So you're going to start getting to know yourself even better because you've changed a little bit. And there's some new things that you need to know about yourself. You have to spend time asking yourself the questions that you want most answered. Sit with your question, and you will be amazed. You will be enlightened by the answers and the knowledge that becomes known to you. All that you need to know is already within. And you need only to take the time and focused attention to allow for them to come to light. Ask yourself and trust the answers. Nicole's behind a little bit. She's still dancing, guys. Ask yourself and trust the answers. Focus upon your passion. Remember, what you love will love you back. If you do what you love, it will love you back. Meaning, it will give you the desire of your heart. Because you love it. Angel 908 brings a message from your angels that the more you focus and act upon your soul mission and life purpose, the more abundance you will attract into your life. Have faith and trust that your monetary and financial needs will be met as you live your life in a manner that sets a positive example and illuminates the way for others. See, when you get to know your soul, not yourself, your soul, when you get to know your soul, and your soul will let you know what you are to do, what you came here to do, because you'll know that because you'll love certain things. You might love music, you might love dance, you might love radio, TV, you might love engineering, you might love math, you might love English, you might love computers. Whatever it is that you love, do it. Do what you love and it will love you back. How? In monetary, in love, right? It'll love you back. Physical, financially, spiritually. Do what you love and live your life in a positive manner. We all have things that get on our nerves and bother us, but we can't let that be a way of life. We can't let the things that leave our lives be a way of life. We can't allow things that we don't get and that we wanted become a way of life. Don't let the negativity that happened in your life or the loss that happens in your life create a whole new life journey for you. Before the loss, before the newness, whatever, you had a life. Continue to live your life more abundantly. Life is for you to live abundantly, not miserably, not sad. Yes. If you can't control it, she's right. Why are you holding it? Abundant mind, abundant soul, abundant heart. Think on these things. Things that are lovely, things that are wonderful, things that are abundant, things that give you peace, love, joy, happiness. Think on those things. When things in life get you down, think on those things. Yeah, this happened, but guess what? I had this, I have that, I had this. This person's in my life. God opened this door, God opened that door. It's like talking to the enemy, telling the enemy, yeah, you brought this into my life, but guess what God did? Yeah, you allowed this person to hurt me, but guess what God did? For every person that hurts you, there are like 10 more that will love you. For every theft, there's 10 more people that'll give to you. That's right. Flip the lessons into a positive. Instead of taking the lessons and mourning, there's a reason things happen the way they happen. I've had things that happen too. I lost my mom and dad, and I'm an only child. But you see, I still have to keep going. I cannot let that stop me from doing what God told me to do. Life has been hard at some times, but it was a lesson. Every time I went through something deep in my life, it was a lesson. Learn the lessons in your life, or else you be doomed to repeat it again. If you do not learn the lesson, you will have to repeat it again and take that class over. You better learn these lessons. If somebody comes in your life saying they love you but they hurt you, learn that lesson. If you have a roommate and they don't pay the rent, they're part of the rent, and then you are stuck with it, learn that lesson. If the doctor tells you to stay away from pork and then you go eat a piece of ham and get sick, learn the lesson. Sometimes we gotta go back and take that lesson over again. Take that class over. I gotta take this class over. I gotta learn. I gotta learn. Because I don't want to go through this no more. This is how you gotta think. Let's say, for instance, you gave somebody the password to your phone. They misuse the ability to have the password to your phone. Learn the lesson. Don't ever do it again. Don't give anybody the password to your phone or the password to your account. You can't love anybody else if you don't love yourself. You gotta love you first, because that gives you love to give. How are you loving from an empty pot? You can't do it. I don't know why I'm going this way. Yeah. As far as the money's concerned, the money's always been there. You just have to physically see it. Everything you've ever needed, Jason, has always been right there. But you gotta physically see it. First, you gotta believe it. In the head, in your mind. Believe it with your mind. Love what you believe. Use your heart to love what you believe. And then open your eyes and physically see it. Everything you need to know, Jansen, is inside of you already. Have a little talk with your soul. You'll find out everything you need to know. Everything. Yes. Any questions, Jason? It's time to go higher. It's time to go to the next level. It's time to go to the next level. Don't be afraid of the next level. what God has for you is been waiting for you on the next level. Make the move. All right. So next is King